Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a luxurious sewing essential that's turning heads for all the right reasons. If you're a crafter, fashion designer, or DIY enthusiast, get ready, because this is, hands down, the best white silk fabric you'll find online. It's the VCUSUELER white silk satin fabric, measuring 5 yards in length and 55 inches wide, and it's every bit as shiny and soft as you're imagining right now. So, let's talk about first impressions. The moment you unfold this fabric, it hits you with a gorgeous, pearly sheen. It has that high-end, lustrous glow that immediately makes you think of bridal gowns, evening wear, and dreamy drapes. It's what you'd expect from charmeuse satin, lightweight, buttery smooth, and with just the right touch of elegance. And no, it's not real silk, it's made from 100% polyester satin, which gives it excellent durability while keeping that silk-like finish. This makes it not only beautiful, but also practical and affordable. Now let's take a closer look at the feel of the fabric. It's soft, cool to the touch, and has a graceful flow. When draped, it falls with a fluid movement that elevates any project you're working on. You'll notice that it also has a slight stretch to it, which is a bonus if you're tailoring garments. The stretch makes the fabric easier to maneuver, especially when working with curved seams or complex designs. Whether you're making a bridal dress, a flowy skirt, or a table runner, it handles surprisingly well. One thing I appreciated during testing was the consistency of the material. Across all 5 yards, there were no irregularities, no pulls, uneven dye patches, or loose threads. That tells you the quality control is on point. You're getting a smooth, uniform canvas to work with from start to finish. Let's talk use cases. This fabric is ideal for wedding and formal wear, but it doesn't stop there. You can use it for cosplay outfits, home decor like curtains and pillowcases, gift wraps, table runners, and even DIY accessories like scrunchies and bags. And because it's machine washable, you don't have to worry about hand washing or dry cleaning every single time. It washes well without losing its shine or softness, which is a huge plus for something that looks this luxurious. Color accuracy is another thing worth noting. While this specific listing is for white, the brand offers a wide variety of shades, from rose pink to royal blue to gold and black. But the white? It's that pure, neutral tone that works beautifully as a base or as the main feature. It reflects light just enough to give your creations a radiant look without appearing plasticky or cheap. Shipping-wise, the product arrives neatly folded and sealed in plastic, helping to avoid any creases or damage. And you'll be glad to know that even though it's coming from Amazon, the seller includes basic care instructions and encourages customers to reach out if anything goes wrong. That kind of customer service gives extra peace of mind when ordering materials online. So who is this for? If you're a fashion student, costume designer, event planner, or hobbyist who loves to sew or decorate, this fabric is a great investment. You're getting quality, quantity, and versatility in one package. 5 yards is enough to complete a full-length gown or cover multiple craft projects, making the price point really appealing. In conclusion, the VCUSUELER white silk satin fabric delivers on every promise. It's soft, shiny, easy to work with, and has a professional finish that can elevate your designs. If you're looking for a reliable go-to satin fabric that mimics silk without the high price tag, this one's a clear winner. Whether you're stitching up magic for a special day or just experimenting with materials, this fabric deserves a spot in your studio. That's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more no-nonsense reviews on the best tools, materials, and gear out there. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.